This automatic four-head linear foil sealing machine delivers strong and airtight induction sealing for powder, square plastic cans, protecting product freshness and preventing moisture contamination. The automatic suction cap pressing capping machine applies plastic lids smoothly and evenly, ensuring stable force control and consistent capping, quality for high-speed powder packaging production lines. The automatic side labeling machine accurately applies labels onto square plastic cans, delivering clean alignment and a professional appearance. It completes a fully automated sealing, capping, and labeling solution for powder products.